Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today, or should I say welcome to this month's Plan With Me. We are now in February. Just before we start to decorate this month, let's just go over the pages from January. So if you remember my previous Plan With Me, and I can put a link above here, this is where we were. We went with this beautiful sort of pale sort of January themes, nice pale pastel colours. As you can see, it's nicely filled out. I've got a lot of things going on, some things that I've ticked off. There's a couple more items that I need to tick off. So that's that one. Yeah, birthdays were all done here. Certainly did some meal ideas, so I'm going to tick that one off too. And yeah, so this was where we were. So let's just look over the weeklies. So obviously these were my weekly spreads. Most of mine are like, I was on holiday then, but most of them are filled in with like work and things and weekends. But I did try and plan videos in here as well. So here we had like a team meeting. This is just to give you some idea. This is when I went to my dance class. I have put some like really thin sort of tape there just to do that. I haven't really filled this bit in. I've started to fill bits in here. Then obviously filming, which I do mostly at the weekends, and editing is sort of filled here. This was the next week. Then this was the third week in January, again filled in like shopping and filming, opticians, and then this was the last week. So I've crossed these last 3 days out because these are the start of February and I've only filled in a little bit. I've been a little bit lax at filling in the bottom area here. So I need to also fill in the reflection. I need to spend an hour or so doing that today. But yeah, and I also made some video idea notes here in the notes section at the end of each month. So here we are with a new month, and today's pack that I'm going with it being Valentine's, is this beautiful sort of love theme. It's got like some nice stripes on here, it's got some lovely pink, it's got some kissing, some lips and everything. So obviously with Valentine's just around the corner, then this is what this month looks like. So let me just open this up. I can put the link below on where I got this from Etsy, but this is obviously days of the week there. You've got book of the month again, which I really like, and you've got these little lists and things to add to the bottom, which are really, really nice as well. You've obviously got stickers for Valentine's Day, little like boxes if you want to just make it fancy. You've got like these like YouTube like money symbols, you know, if you've got to go to the dentist, or if you've got a car, your MOT or anything, you've got sort of action stickers there. Bill due dates, pay dates, little fancy stickers at the bottom if you want to add something. And we've got obviously bank holiday, loads of little pay stickers, little money bags, flowers, and you know, stuff for Valentine's. But I thought this was really, really cute. You can use this section here just to cut out and decorate. If you want to just put a strip across the bottom, maybe I might do that this time instead of the washi tape. It does take up quite a bit of room, but it is really, really nice. And I really like this. You also get this extra little piece here, which just a few little action stickers and a little square sticker that you can cut up if you want to use that extra bit. So yeah, so let's get down to putting this in the book. for now. Let's just run through everything that I've added on. So let's start at the beginning of the month. I think last month, if you want to just flick back, I actually started on a Monday, but that's because these stickers aren't meant for this book, so I've had to make them work. And because this was attached to February, I couldn't cut that piece out, so I've had to start it on a Sunday this month, but never mind. I do like to keep these two for weekends really, but it all depends on how the stickers fall, because these stickers I think are for Erin Condren planner, not for this particular planner, and I kind of make them work basically. So let's just run through everything that we've got. So we've got the nice little border across the top. I've just added the extra lips there. So nothing for the first week. I know today is actually Sunday the 3rd, is it today? Yes, Sunday the 3rd today, so I'm a little bit behind. So today is in the morning at the moment, but tonight we've got Mandy's birthday dinner at 7 o'clock. Then actually Mandy's birthday is on Tuesday, and I've got dance class, but we couldn't go out that night because of Sam's shifts. Then I've got to go to the opticians for a contact lens appointment. And then we've got nothing planned just yet in there. Then here on the 11th, I've got dinner with my friend. Then I've got a dentist appointment here, Valentine's Day, of course, which is why I decorated it extra nice, put those extra stickers on. Then it's payday. And then this weekend, I'm going home to see my family and to go with my dad and sister, because they live 2 hours away from us. So that's through till Sunday as well. Then Monday I've got a lash appointment, Tuesday I've got dance, and then I've got a couple of days empty here. Obviously I'm going to work, but I usually do that in the dailies. Then here on the 23rd I've got the hairdressers, and then here again dance class, so that actual line now is filled up with dance classes. And then obviously I've just blocked out, because we've only got 28 days in this month, I've just blocked that out with that extra sticker. So here again I'm going to carry over from last month. I want to meditate more. I did download the Headspace app and I have listened to it a couple of times, but I need to get into a routine with that. I want to go outdoors more. We did go out last weekend I think for a walk, but I need to do that more regularly. Cook more meals at home. I'm doing really well with that, but I want to keep that on this time because I want to keep that up. And the last 2 weeks we've done loads of meals at home, lunches and everything, so that's been really, really good. It saves us money and everything, which was what my intention was. I'd still want to go on a mindfulness course. I haven't found one, and to be fair I haven't looked really to find one, but I'm going to do that at some point. So keeping on to desired goals for this month, I want to work out twice a week. I have done a couple and I haven't done it completely, so this is staying on this month, and I'm going to reward myself with a pamper night. I'm going to try and relax more because I don't do that. I'm busy all the time, so I'm less tired, so I'm going to watch some TV as a reward. And then my goal at the moment, which I am doing with my ladies on the WhatsApp chat, we're going to try and stay more hydrated and to stay healthy, so we need to drink more water. And I'm going to reward myself with playing on the PlayStation. So action steps for this month: I need to do a workout plan and actually set times in the week, you know, to actually fit that in. I need to obviously work on my law of attraction planner like I did last month. I need to do my vision board. I have got some pictures, but I haven't finished. Maybe I should just stick in everything that I've got so far and just keep adding to it. Maybe that's an action that I can do. Obviously want to up the meditation. I have done a couple, but I need to start doing that daily really, and keep to routine once I've set one. Book of the month at the minute is still The Secret, because it is a big book and a lot to take in, so that might carry over for a few months. Goals at the minute, I haven't filled all of these in yet, but I will do, because it's the start of the month. It's difficult to fill them in, so I'm going to work out twice a week. I need to just fill in the rest of the bits here, and at the bottom here I've just decorated it to make it really pretty. I will start filling in the weeklies probably this week, or maybe I'll start filling in the weekly pages as we go along. I generally try and do them on a Sunday, so that I know what I'm doing for the week, and then we'll go from there. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant, and if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. bye.